Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making something delicious. So sit back, relax, and you know what I need you to do in the meantime? That's right, hit that subscribe button and we'll be back. So our ingredients are seasoned breadcrumbs, heavy whipping cream, a whole lobster, Parmesan cheese, granulated garlic, mozzarella cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, white truffle oil, butter, salt, noodles, and some flour. So I'm gonna start on our roux to make our cheese sauce while my water is boiling for my noodles. My water has started boiling. I have plenty of salt in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put my noodles in there. Excuse me. Put my noodles in there and give it a nice stir. While my butter is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and add equal parts butter with flour. And let the butter keep melting. I'm going to go ahead and add some of my heavy whipping cream. Mix that up. I don't know how you can see, if you can see how thick that's getting. Because it's getting thick, I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese to it now. Make sure you have this on a low to medium setting because you don't want this to burn. You don't want it to cook too fast. You want this cheese to slowly melt. While that's in there, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm going to wind up adding more cream, so I think it's getting thick enough where I can go ahead and add some more cream now. I'm going to add some of my seasonings, which is my garlic powder, I think I forgot to mention this one when I was going over the ingredients, but I used white pepper. So I'm going to add some pepper. Cheese is still melting. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of truffle oil, white truffle oil. You want to keep stirring till you get this creamy consistency. You don't want it to be too thick and cheesy. You want a creamy, see that? Creamy, not too cheesy. So I kept adding the heavy whipping cream until I got that consistency that I want. And I think it's about done now. Look at that. It's nice and creamy. All my cheese has melted. All of my seasonings have been incorporated. And my truffle oil is in there. Now I need to taste it. I needed a little bit more salt. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off and go drain my noodles. While my noodles are draining, I'm gonna take my breadcrumbs and add them to a bowl. And then my Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna add that. And then combine it. Into a casserole dish, I'm gonna add my noodles. It's time to add our cheese sauce. Let's combine this up thoroughly. Make sure we have enough sauce in there. If not, we'll add more. We need some more on this side, I can tell. Add a little more. I think we have enough. Just gotta get that all combined in there really well. We'll put it all in there. There we go. Now let's add our breadcrumbs. We're just gonna sprinkle them over the top. Evenly distribute them. We have a 400-degree oven that we're going to put this in uncovered. Now we're going to get our lobster meat out of our lobster and cook that. For the lobster part, we're going to use some garlic powder, lemon pepper, salt, and some butter. So, I'm gonna pull it apart. I'm just gonna take the claws off. Just snap those off at the knuckle. If it don't snap directly at the knuckle, that's fine. And then the rubber bands have to come off. Oops. And then we're gonna take the tail, pull the tail off, pull it backwards like that. Actually, pull it out, and I'm just gonna cut it off at that point right there. Then, let me get some scissors. I'll take this, cut this open. Pull the tail out. The lobster tail, all of this stuff from out of there. And then I'm gonna crack my claw and get the claw meat out. And then do the same with the other one. Let's pull this off. Take the meat out. I'm gonna rinse all of this off. All right, I've rinsed it off. I'm just gonna chop it up. See any little things in there like that, pull that out. Pull that out. season it with my lemon pepper, my garlic powder, and some salt. And then just mix it all up. I've got my butter melted in my skillet. I'm gonna put all of my lobster meat in here. And just let that cook for a few minutes. Don't take but a minute. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and take my macaroni and cheese out of the oven. It is done. Whew, and it is hot. Wow. Hold on, you guys. It's hot. So here's my macaroni and cheese. You could smell this lobster. Oh my goodness. So we basically only needed to cook it for 1 minute. I'm gonna take this off of here. I'm gonna put my macaroni up here. And I'm gonna take my lobster and just sprinkle it on top. So whenever you get a spoonful of macaroni and cheese, you get a little bit of lobster to go with it. And there's some of this butter in here. I'm just gonna drizzle that on there. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it on there. And there we go. That is my truffle macaroni and cheese topped with lobster. So my truffle macaroni and cheese topped with lobster is ready. I just can't wait to taste it. I'm gonna enjoy this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.